haven't done anything. But I feel like things have improved. So much. I've become brighter, and my body has really improved. I am 74 years old, and people usually think I am in my late 50s or early 60s. When I think about it, I don't feel like I am aging at all. Still feel like I am in my 50s, and I carry out all my activities, including exercising. Without any discomfort. There's nothing that makes me feel uncomfortable. Everything feels like it's part of my life. Actually, I feel more comfortable and better than when I was younger. I don't have any chronic conditions. As people get older, they often say that they feel weaker or slower. But I actually feel like my physical rhythm has improved. I've become healthier, and when I engage in physical activities, I don't feel tired at all. I believe stem cell therapy has played a big role in this improvement. I don't experience fatigue or tiredness as much as others might. When I exercise, I can easily do 1 or 2 hours, sometimes even 3 hours. At my age, that would be tough for most people, but I don't find it difficult at all. I think it's the effect of stem cell therapy. I started using stem cells when I was in my 50s, and I was told by many people that it was very beneficial. That's when I started using it again, and I really believe it's helping me become healthier. Regarding my sleep, it's been great. I make an effort to sleep for 7.5 to 8 hours each night, and I consistently maintain that routine. I spend about an hour and a half each day doing exercises. Since I want to build muscle, I focus on a protein-rich diet and avoid unnecessary foods. I don't eat snacks or processed foods, and I stick to healthy options. I feel very confident about myself now. Especially since it's winter, I am proud of my body, which looks great, and I can proudly say that I am happy with how I look. I also feel good about the changes to my face. My eyes, especially around the corners, have improved a lot. The wrinkles around my mouth, which naturally come with age, are something I can't completely avoid. But stem cell therapy has worked wonders in improving my skin. I was really surprised by the results. My overall appearance has gotten better, and I feel great about it. When compared to people of my age, my physical strength is noticeably different. I can exercise much more easily, but I wouldn't suggest that everyone should push themselves like I do. That being said, strength training is absolutely important. I recommend doing at least 30 minutes of strength training each day. Aerobic exercises are basic, but they shouldn't be considered the sole form of exercise. Simply walking isn't enough to improve your fitness, it's essential to build strength in order to stay healthy as you age. I believe it's important to focus on building strength now so that you can live healthily in your later years. I believe that physical strength is one of the most important factors in aging healthily. It's critical to prepare for the future by strengthening your muscles now so that you can live well in your senior years. This is especially true as most people start to struggle in their 60s. Exercise is essential for a good quality of life as you age.